If you want to reassign a register to a different office, whether it's because you're moving devices from a single location to another, or maybe merging two locations, you can easily do so on both Indica POS and web. On IndicaOnline web, simply navigate to Statistics, POS Registers, click on the gear icon for an office with a closed shift, select the desired office from the Office drop-down, and click Save. Now this register will be assigned to the selected office. On Indica POS, ensure that the register shift is closed. Navigate to Menu, Settings, Account, tap Current Shelf, and select the new office for this register. That's it. The register will be assigned to the selected office now. Keep in mind that while reassigning registers from Indica Web requires the Manage Registers permission. The same action requires the POS and POS Manager permissions on Indica POS.